In this video, I'm going to show how to enable Sound for Memories notifications on the Facebook app when using your PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have been slightly rearranged. If you've noticed that your Memories notifications are coming through silently or not grabbing your attention, this quick setup will fix that. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC or go to Facebook through your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on the notifications icon. This is where all your recent alerts and activity are stored. Next, click on the three dots located near the notifications panel. This will open a small menu with additional options. From there, select notification settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control how Facebook sends you alerts. Now, scroll down through the list of notification categories until you find Memories. Click on it to open the specific settings for memory reminders. Inside the Memories section, look for the option called Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure this is turned on. Enabling this ensures that Facebook sends you alerts for your past posts, highlights, and anniversaries. To make sure you also hear the sound, double-check your browser or system notification settings. Your PC must allow sound for notifications, and your browser should not be muted for Facebook. Once everything is enabled, you're all set. You should now receive Memories notifications with sound so you never miss those important throwbacks again. That's it, simple and quick.